12-inch dash cam Rearview mirror camera, CarPlay Android Auto, ADAS car DVR, 5G Wi-Fi, FM, GPS navigation, night vision, video recorder, equipped with powerful 4-cores chip. This is a top-class 4-core chip, 14nm, 2T computing power. It can start up quickly in 3 seconds under the video recording of the 4K front camera and 1080p rear camera. The whole operating system is very smooth without delay. The boot speed of other models with the same configuration on the market is more than 10 seconds, because they use a single-core chip. With dual LENS0 front camera 4K 2160p plus rear camera 1080p 10.26, IPS touchscreen 135 degrees wide angle, up to 8 million pixels to achieve true 38/42,160p 4K UHD resolution, which can help us capture license plates, road signs, and other critical details on the road. If you don't choose rear camera, it is single lens. Adopt upgraded H265 video code. Compared with H264 video code, H265 has better image quality and use less storage space.